So, air combat. All right, guys, you are not allowed to leave the space of the runway today. You guys are so spread out, they had to call ATC to get you back in here. So this is a lot of fun. This is air combat. They actually do have competition, national competitions for RC combat. What they're doing here with the club got together and said, let's do it with our foam airplanes because number one, they don't cost anything. Number two, it's a lot of fun. So the idea here is to cut the ribbon off of the other guy's airplane. What we really want to see is we want to see foam, like collisions in the air. And we want to see stuff floating out of the airplane. Johnny! All right, guys, we want this nice and tight out here today. Come on. Johnny, you need me to fly that for you? There we go, we have contact. All right, one dead soul.
He said gleefully. What if they make these things bright enough to see his name? I'll tell you what, mine's really bad.
Oh, that was close. Because here's the idea. The idea here is to cut the streamer, but we really want to see the wreck. Come on, Johnny, don't be. You got all kind of streamers on your airplane there, Mr. Selby. What's up with that? That was a drag. All right, come on. We want to see some more collisions here. I mean, ribbon cut. Tighten it up, you guys. There we go. All right, that was a whole lot of fun to watch. So we're going to shift gears here. We go from small electric foamy airplanes that are kind of disposable to a pair of the biggest airplanes out here.